Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Outlook account on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Over here guys, you can see we are on the home page of Outlook. So once reloaded, let's reload it once, because all of the services are not available, I think. So after it reloads, over here guys, now it's the home page of Outlook after we have signed in. Now to sign out or log out of your Outlook account, from over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon or your profile icon over here where my mouse is hovering. Simply click on that. And over here guys, the moment you click on this type of a pop-up box will appear where you can see the sign out button at the top right corner of this pop-up box. In order to log out of our Outlook account, click on that sign out button. Let's wait for it. And there guys, we have successfully logged out of our Outlook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.